What's the meaning of cook? Cook. Cook.
Cook. Cook. The verb cook means to prepare food for eating by applying heat or other methods such as baking, roasting, grilling, frying or boiling. The end result of cooking is a transformation of raw ingredients into a dish that is palatable and safe to eat. Cooking also enhances the flavor and aroma of ingredients, and can alter the texture of food. The act of cooking requires knowledge and skill in selecting ingredients, controlling temperature and timing, and using appropriate techniques and equipment. Cooking can also be a creative and enjoyable activity for those who enjoy experimenting with new flavors and recipes.